So it's about lining up your dominoes. And if you've read the book, you understand that they've actually done studies on dominoes. That a 2-inch domino can knock over a domino that's 50% larger. So a 2-inch domino can knock over a 3-inch domino. And a 3-inch domino can knock over a 4.5-inch domino. And frankly, my math kind of breaks down from there. Yet by the time it hits the 10th domino, it knocks me down and I'm 6 feet tall. When it hits the 18th domino, it's taller than the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The 21st domino, it's higher than the Eiffel Tower. The 31st domino, it's 3,000 feet taller than the highest peak in the world, which is Mount Everest. And by the time it hits the 57th domino, it spans a distance from the Earth to the moon. And the challenge in business is that we see people that jump into business and they want to knock over that 57th domino right now, today. Well, they don't have the ability, they don't have the skill set, the mindset, nor perhaps even the financial wherewithal to knock down the 57th domino. Here's the point, though. On the way to big, you get bigger. Your paradigm stretches. The expectation that you hold of yourself increases. And it's about a geometric progression of growth, where most people live it linearly. Where, sure, you can line up 2-inch dominoes, knock down the first one, and of course create that domino run. Yet it's just more of the same, day in and day out. You need that catalyst that's going to produce the geometric progression.
And your catalyst, if you're starting 4 tracks of dominoes, is much less powerful than if you have 1, which reinforces, goes back to what is the most important thing. And if we are involved in many projects, and if we are doing many things, then do they all align, and do my dominoes intersect with each other to get me on those paths? And if there are any outliers out there, they really need to be evaluated.